welcome back to my YouTube channel. My hair was getting really dry, so I wanted to give myself a haircut. Today I'm gonna be cutting my bangs and also giving myself a hair trim. I'm gonna start with taking a U section in the front like so, and clip the rest of my hair away in a ponytail. I'm gonna start with bangs, and one disclaimer: if your hair is curly, please do not cut your hair into bangs. And if your hair is straight or wavy, then these are the steps that you can do. So start with taking your section and cross it 180 degrees like so. Use your fingers and do it like this. It needs to be very proper 180 degree. And now cut this off. I'm gonna use vertical cuts and cut it. I'm not gonna use a horizontal cut because it gives a very sharp line and it gets very difficult to blend that out. I really like my bangs to be very soft and blended rather than very sharp. So now you see this U section that you got, this is U shape that you got. This is because of the 180 degree turn that we're taking. Now I'm gonna do this 180 degree turn again and only cut the weight and not the length. This will add movement to the hair and this will bring that softness to the haircut. This is personally how I like to cut bangs, whether it is side swept or whatever bangs, but I never use horizontal cut. You can even use the parallel point cut if you want to lose more weight. Now this is bangs done for time being. I wasn't 100% satisfied with how my bangs looked, so I'm gonna go back to that in a while. Now starting with hair trim, I'm gonna start taking sections and I'm gonna only cut the dry ends, and I'm gonna use point cutting technique for that as well. I'm gonna take my scissor vertically and start cutting my hair, following the shape that it is in already and just getting rid of the dry ends. I will recommend this method only to you if you are very careful and you make sure that you do not lose length, because if you lose length, your hair will look like a mess at the end of this procedure. So make sure that you do not lose length, and if you're sure that you can do it, then only do it. And personally, I get my haircut done every 3 months, but my last haircut was in December and I had got an appointment in March, but I had to cancel it because this lockdown was announced, and now this lockdown is going on extending for good. But my hair was getting really dry and I couldn't deal with it, so I just thought of doing this technique and it really worked out for me. I got rid of the dry ends and didn't lose any length. So if you're sure that you can do it, then only do it. And now I'm going back to my bangs and point cutting it further to lose more weight. And now after this, my bangs turned out exactly how I wanted them to look like. You can see that soft blended look. There's movement and bounce in them. That's what I wanted, and I'm gonna do the other side, and that's the haircut done. And I really hope you found this video helpful, and please stay safe, stay indoor, take care, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.